What's going on YouTube? Brad here with Farmhouse and more. I know it's been a while. I've been a little busy, life's chaotic and hectic. If you follow our other social medias, you may know what's going on. But I got a question for you. Have you bought one of these yet? And I say that because if you don't know what it is, like me a couple years ago, had no clue, you need to buy one. This is a game changer when it comes to getting your blade pinpoint, accurate, and getting you nice straight cuts. And I know what you're thinking. I don't need that. My miter saw has a gauge on it already. I know when I'm at zero. You may not really know what you think you know. Yeah, you can spend a lot of money on these saws and think it's a zero, but it also might be wrong. So I'm going to show you how this works and how it can save you a lot of time and help you get a lot better cuts. Let's go. Now most miter saws have a nice little indicator back here, and they tell you when you're at zero. Let's put that to the test. So what we're going to do, we're going to set this right at what we believe to be zero. And lock it in place. Now, with this gauge, very simple to use. You sit there, you hold, it's only got two buttons. You're going to hold your on-off button. Power it up. It's already zeroed out. If it wasn't zeroed out at this point, you would hit zero. Now it's zero to this surface. Now, all we have to do, take it, stick it to that. Now, that's not terrible, 89.7, but your blade could be a lot worse. And we could also make this a lot better. So rather than paying this so much attention, we just loosen that up a little bit. And we try to get it. Whoa. Oh, I keep seeing 90. That's a little better. And if I had two hands, I'd probably get 90. And there you go. Now we have it set at almost 90 degrees. And our cut should be a lot better. So just like that, you see, setup's quick, it's easy. Honestly, I don't even check the gauge back here anymore. I go ahead when I first start making cuts, just to go ahead and check it, get my blade at 90, start ripping down my cuts. If I move it to a 45 or so, I do that way. I mean, you could also do it if you're gonna drop this at 45. I don't know very many people who actually use their miter at a 45-degree angle, but if you needed to, this would also work for that. And it's only $20. So help yourself, pick up one of these. I'll drop a link for this one in the description, but 20 bucks, pinpoint accurate cuts. It'll save you a lot of time and a lot of effort. So thanks for watching. And if you haven't, jump in there and hit that subscribe button.